AAVE African American Vernacular English is spoken by about 30 million working and middle-class African Americans and Canadians. More than half of these speakers reside in the following cities. AAVE is used in a casual setting, usually only among the speakers of that variety, while in formal settings, AAVE speakers switch to a more standard variety of English, but still retain the non-standard accent. The AAVE variety is a high-contact L1 variety that resulted from the contact between English speakers and speakers of West African languages who learned English on the plantations they were on. An immense social segregation occurred between 1910 and 1930, where there were many AAV features developing, and they even intensified as the years went on, and this caused divergence of this variety from the white working-class urban communities. The language of the dominant group is the superstratum, since it influences, while the language of the less dominant group is the substratum, since it's being influenced. This is shown in the imbalance of power and prestige. The mutual intelligibility between the two here proves AAVE is a dialect of English and not a different language altogether. The three features I will focus on are prevalent and obligatory in AAVE. Standard English grammar states that when a double negative is present, it is incorrect if it means anything other than a positive. However, in AAVE, if the sentence is negative, all possible forms must be negated. I didn't go nowhere in AAVE. It is correct to state that this means I have not gone anywhere. I am still where I am now. However, that is incorrect in Standard English. To be correct, this must mean I went somewhere. I didn't stay here. In AAVE, ain't is a generic negator before a main verb and is used for replacement to these main verbs being negated. They are there, aren't they? In Standard English would be said as they are there, aren't they? The main verb being negated is be. In AAVE, the verb being negated is replaced with ain't. This form was very much stigmatized in the 19th century and thus lost its common use. The main verb be is dropped before noun phrases and adjective phrases. She a bad teacher in Standard English would be she is a bad teacher. However, in AAVE, the verb be is dropped before the noun phrase. They smart in Standard English would be they are smart. But once again, in AAVE, the verb be is dropped before the adjective phrase. AAVE is seen as a non-standard dialect due to its low prestige and little power in society, and that is due to its origins. While a standard dialect that is English is one of higher power and higher prestige. AAVE was low prestige, and that is shown through its speakers switching varieties when in a casual setting versus a formal setting, and is also shown because it is used by social minorities. Thank you for watching.